Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia G22, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. So once your content is prepared, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the share and edit option in the pop-up, and after a moment this pop-up will just vanish. Once it does so, you can find your screenshot in the Photos application, and it will be visible somewhere right at the top. Now later on, if you struggle with finding it, you could just select a screenshot album, and if it's not showing you albums at the bottom or something like that, you could just capture another screenshot. It will obviously appear at the very top and give you this screenshot text right here, which when pressed, it opens up the entire album full of screenshots that you have captured over the time of using this device. So it's kind of a little easy way. But anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.